Team Wales Barton Twirling are National Barton Twirling Association flag Barton team champions and represented Wales in Europe. The team made up of members of Carmarthenshire clubs was the youngest team there, competing against 19 countries, where they received their first international award since they started competing in 2018. Team Wales were awarded third place in the European Majorette Championships. Their hard work, determination, resilience and team spirit has built their confidence to compete at this level.
Daeth tîm rygbi merched 16 Brodyn Efor yn bencampwyr cenedlaethol Cymru yn 2024. Y tîm ifanc yma oedd cynrychiolwyr rhanbarth y Scarlets yn dilyn cyfres arbennig o fuddugoliaethau. Yn y rowndiau terfynol, arosodd y tîm heb ei drechu gan ymdrechu'n galed i gyflawni buddugoliaethau yn erbyn tîmoedd o ar draws Cymru. Wedi blasu llwyddiant llynedd, mae ennill eto blwyddyn yn diweddarach yn gamp anhygoel ac mae'n dyst i ba mor galed y gweithiodd y grŵp.
Maes y Gwendraeth Boys Under-18s rugby team are Welsh National Schools Cup champions. This victory was an exceptional triumph with every cup match a David and Goliath scenario. Victories against Bro Morgannwg, Haverfordwest High, Stanwell and Ysgol Ystradi helped the school win the competition for the first time in their history. For such a small secondary school, winning the Welsh Schools Cup is a tremendous achievement.